Hi, my wonderful students and families. I wanted to share some exciting information about the upcoming science lesson that we'll be doing in class next week. The lesson is, what do plants need to grow? We will be investigating this topic about what plants need to grow by first doing some research. Research is looking at something carefully, finding facts, and learning new information about something. Then we're going to be doing a fun experiment. An experiment is a way of seeing if what we think about something is true or false. Why is knowing what plants need to grow important? Well, I came up with 3 ideas here, and I wanted to see what other ideas you guys could come up with and share with the class when we do our brainstorming next week. The first idea I came up with is that animals also need plants. They use them for food, shelter, and to make their nests. We eat a lot of plants in the form of fruits, vegetables, and grains. And plants help keep our environment healthy. I'm excited to see what ideas you guys have when we do our brainstorming. So let's get started with our research. How can we start finding information about what plants need to grow? Do you have any plants where you live or at any of your favorite places? If you do, what are they? Where are they? And what do you or your family do to keep them alive? If you would like to take some notes on your ideas, I've created a page for notes that your parent can print for you to fill out. Just go to the next slide to see the notes page, and it will also be available on the class web page. If you don't have time to print this, it's okay. I'll have a lot in class for you to do later, and then we'll add them to our learning logs together. Here is a picture of the notes page I created. It has a spot for you to add what information you're looking at, some describing information, the look, smell, feel, what you may already know about this, questions you may have, and spaces for you to draw pictures and write more ideas. I also found some other resources that you can use for research. The first is the Kids Search Engine Kiddle. I will provide these links on the class webpage. You just click on the links and enter the terms that you wish to search for. So I would search for example, plants, or even a sentence, what plants need to grow. And a lot of different information will show up that is all kids safe. The other are some fun science games from Science Kids. This link will go directly to a fun science game related to plants. And the last is a fun little song video from YouTube Kids going over what some of the things are that plants need to grow. And lastly, I just wanted to go over our experiment a little bit. After we do our research and brainstorm our ideas for what plants need to grow, we will be testing our ideas. We will be planting our own seeds and taking notes and observations about what we see happening. This process can take a long time. We will be working on this lesson for about a week and taking daily notes and doing different projects and activities to support this lesson. When our experiment is done, we will be able to see if our ideas that we brainstormed on how what plants need to grow were correct. So that's all for this week, and I can't wait to see what you have for our discussion next week. I also included down here a really fun time-lapse video of a plant growing, so I will also include the link on the class webpage, and I hope you enjoy that. Thank you, and I'll see you next week for our fun lesson.